So here we have the Hyundai Tucson on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge on the left, the speedometer and fuel gauge on the right, and then in the centre you can see the total miles for this car. They are 17,711. We've also got a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there as well. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer information and other menus as well, and that is all done using these buttons. We have cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used once you paired the phone up to the car, which is done by hitting the phone icon and following the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music, we have, of course, got the radio, DAB, FM and AM, as you can see. You can listen to your own music. It's grayed out at the moment because nothing is connected. You can connect an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And as you can see, we've got Android also and Apple CarPlay, both available as well. On top of that, this car's got satellite navigation. We've done a full video showing you how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and YouTube channel. And we've got a full colour reversing camera as well. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. You can increase and decrease the fan speed, determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then this button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off, of course, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air. You can override that whenever you wish to. We have the 12-volt charging sockets here, 2 of them. The auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. We can change the driving setup of the car. We can turn downhill brake control on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, so it's back on again now. And you can turn your parking sensors on and off from here as well. And then finally, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.